Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the D Trader. It is January 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, I am back here, guys. I'm still not 100% over this, but it's getting better. So I am giving this a try today. Let's look at what happened with Tesla. Tesla closed at $995.65, down $34.86, down 3.38%. Post-market, we are down a further 43 cents. We have a red candle today. The high of the day is just right smack on our resistance again. It means that this resistance is really important, and we have been fighting over that resistance for a while. When we had a high on November 4th, we were stopped by that resistance, which did not exist yet, but it became there at that point in time. It got reinforced really when we tried it again. It takes 2 points to draw a line. And then the third time, and then the fourth time we tried, and then we succeeded in breaking it here on January 3rd, then came back underneath and broke it again, but came back the next day. And yesterday we broke it during the day and came back into it. So this is a really hard resistance to break. And today we went just right next to it and came back from it. And we have a wick here at the top here. So this is showing some selling pressure. So there's some selling pressure here. And the stock went just straight down towards the end of the day. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. So we started right here. So we opened right underneath the support line that we had here. We opened right underneath it, went as far as that resistance that we have been talking about, and then came back down and even broke our support at 1027.25. So the first hour we broke it. Then second hour we went back to 1,000 and a little bit lower and came back above. Then retested and tried to break 1027.25 again. Could not. So we broke it during that hour, but then closed below it. And then the next hour we started from there and then started going down. Boom, boom, boom. So we have 4 straight candles where we see buying pressure. So selling, so it would have been a good play to sell or to short right here. So when the stock came back up to 1027.25 and then started the next hour without having breaking it, and starting the next hour from that point on and starting to go down. So that would have been a great short, and there would have been nice money to be made here. So maybe it's still not over because everything else on the 1 hour chart is pretty much bearish. If we go back on the daily chart, so we broke below 1,000. So this is a psychological number. Next stop, I would say, let me just make it a little bit clearer. So next stop is 956 in my opinion. This is the next significant daily support. Next significant daily support. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart if we have a closer support. We have a little bit of a support right here. Let me make this a little bit clearer. So we have a support right here at 987.94. I'm going to show it here. So we have a bunch of supports right here. I'm going to label them for us because we might be needing them because the stock seems to be going down. Doesn't mean that it will go down forever, but so far it's going down. Let me just put back those numbers. 972. So these are support areas that the stock might decide to use to take a pause or reverse. And 956, it was already shown. Depending on if you play on the 1 hour chart or on the daily chart. But yes, on the daily chart, stochastic at 34. That's not really nice. RSI under 50, MACD crossover bearish, and the two lines are not above zero anymore. So let me put this thumb down. And the DMI crossed over bearish too. That's quite a sight to see, huh? But then let's not forget we have on January 26th, we have the earnings call. This might change things a little bit. Let's see what's happening and let's just act on what we see and not what we can speculate on. So let's just act on what we see. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. And thank you for your kind words while I was away. I read your comments and I felt some love. So thank you very much, guys. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk hopefully tomorrow. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.